Assalamu alaikum and good morning, grade 9. How are you? Hope you will be fine. Alright, class. Today we are going to start your online sessions to continue your studies due to the fourth spell of COVID situations, unit sessions, just for the sake of to continue your education. Okay, so come to the point. I'm going to just uh, I'm just going through the past lectures and topics that we already have covered and discussed before. Our classwork summary, or we already have discussed in brief in our physical classes. The sets of numbers. The topic is sets of numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, integers, prime numbers. We already have discussed in brief. We already have covered and solved just to facilitate you, so you can easily go through uh, you can easily go through the topics after reviewing the all of the topics we already have discussed. The natural numbers, what are the natural numbers that come, there starts from 1 and so on. What are the whole numbers? Whole numbers are the whole all of the numbers that starts from 0 and so on. And even numbers are those numbers that multiplying by 2, that's such that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Odd numbers are opposite to the even numbers that don't multiplying by even number or 2, such that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. And the integers are those numbers that starts from 0, positive 1, plus 2, 3, so on, and negative integers such like that 0, plus, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Prime numbers are those numbers that cannot be factorized but by itself, just like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. And rational numbers are those numbers that divided into rational forms, just like such that fraction forms, numerator and denominator form. Real numbers are those numbers that is in under root form, just like and such that under root. So all of the sets we already have discussed in brief in our physical classes. Do you have remembered? Anyone have remembered, class? I know anyone have remembered this topic. All right, but I can ask all of the topics that I am going through in this online sessions, and all that already have been solved in our previous classes. But I will definitely ask all of the topic in our question answer sessions. So be prepared, class, for questioning, cross questioning, and you can ask anything regarding our all the topics that we already have covered and we are discussing today. So we have solved the power set. If we will be given the set that such that a and n has a 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will be asked to find out the power set of set a. So how we will find out? Eh, do you have remembered, class? I know no one have remembered yet. So how can we find out the power set of set A? First, we need to find out the power of n. N is the number of elements. So because we have 4 elements of sets A, so the n is equals to 4. That means 2 power n equals to 16. When we multiplying 2 4 times by itself, equals to 16. It means we will make the 16 sets of the power set of A. And we have solved many questions regarding these topics, and we have found the power sets of different sets. So you have well you have well learned. You I think you must be well learned regarding regarding the solutions of power sets. So no need for further details. Okay, just come to the next topic, De Morgan's law. What De Morgan's law says and what's the concepts of De Morgan's law we already have discussed in previous. But today we are solving the some questions by applying the concepts of De Morgan's law. Okay. Operations of union and intersections on three sets. What De Morgan's law says, De Morgan's law says to how to solve the questions on by applying De Morgan's law to find out the union between two or more sets, the intersections between two or more sets, and the universal and complement. So I have already elaborated and discussed in brief each terms, each and everything, union, intersection, universal set. But today I am just going through just to facilitate you and makes you easier to understand the topics that we already have covered. Just going through your all topics and discussions and classworks as a reminder and as to memorize you what we already have covered in previous. All right class, so अब किसी को भी कोई शिकायत नहीं होनी चाहिए. Is it clear? What the term union means? Union means if we will be given the two sets A and B, and we will have to find out the union between two sets. It means we will write to arrange the elements elements between two sets A and B. And if we will be given the two sets and we need to find the intersection between two sets, so what will we do? We will write the common elements between two sets A and B. And if we will be given the universal set or complement, that's both are same, that have a two name, universal set, and you can say complement denoted by a complement, the symbol that shows complement. So what does it mean? It means the universal set is a set that have all elements of all sets given to you. If you will be given sets A, B, C and universal set, so universal set will be the set that have all of the elements of sets A, B, and so on. Is it clear, class? So now we will solve the questions by with the concept of De Morgan's law to keep in mind. Okay. So let's start the topic. So class, operations of union intersections on three sets. The questions is when A equals to A, B, C elements, B having B, C, D, E elements, C having elements equals to C, D, E, F, H. And we need to find if we A, B, and C are any three sets, then find the following operations of union intersection can be performed. A union bracket open, B union C bracket close. Just we will solve with the help of De Morgan's law to keep in mind. So the solutions is, first we need to find out the bracket. First we will solve the term under the bracket, that is B union C. What does B union C means? We have to find out the union between between B and C. It means to arrange the elements between B and C such like that the answer will be B, C, D, E, F, H. We have written to arrange the elements of B and C. Then we need to find A union and the answer of B union C. So just we have written the elements of set A, that is A, B, C, then sign of union. Then we will write the solve B union C, that is B, C, D, E, F, H. Then finally we will find A union and the answers B union C, the solve B union C. So again, we will arrange both of the elements in such a forms A, B, C, D, E, F, H. So finally, we have found A union bracket B union C. All right. Is it clear, class? That's our answer. So the next question is in under bracket A union B and intersection C. Because in my keyboard there is not any keyword or signs that or any symbols of intersections in my keyboard, so that's why I have written intersections in words. So you can easily understand. First, what you have to find out, you have to find out the bracket A union B. Then you will write the answer of A union B intersection C. So finally you will solve the answer. So the questions too that you have to solve by yourself, and it would be discussed in our questions answer sessions that would be conducted inshallah after 2 hours of your online unit sessions. Is it clear, class? I will ask all of you regarding these questions and that must be solved by yourself. Okay? And if any query or if any other questions regarding this topics, so you can ask, feel free in our questions answer sessions. Okay. So today what we have solved the questions to keep in mind the concept of De Morgan's law, and some other questions by applying the complement universal set we will solve in our next topic, in our next class, inshallah. Okay, so solve by yourself, all of you. Is it clear, class? Okay, so that's it. आप इसको solve करें और it will be discussed in our feedback session. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care. The next question is, the next question is, if we universal set equals to A, B, C, D, E, F, H, then find A union under bracket B complements. So we will solve it to keep De Morgan's law in mind. First we will solve B complement. B complement means how we open B complement. B complement equals to universal set minus B set. B complements अगर हम इसको open करते हैं तो what does B complement means? B complement equals to universal set minus B. It means subtracted B from universal set such that universal set we have given A, B, C, D, E, F, H minus set B we have given B, C, D, E. Then subtract B from universal set. So when we subtract B, C, D, E, what left? The remaining elements are A, F, and H. So A, F, H, what we tackle out? The B complement. B complement equals to AFH. Now we will find A union B complement. So because B or B a complement we already have find out. So we need to find out A union B complement, the solve B complement. The elements of solve B complements we will place here first. We will place the elements of A set. Set A elements are, then union sign. Then we will place the elements of B complements that we have recently found. Now we will arrange both elements. We will write to arrange the elements of set A and B. So what will be our answers? Our answers will be A, B, and C. Our answers will be, finally our answer will be A, B, and C. Is that clear, class? So it's become very easy question answers that you can easily solve by yourself. So now it's time for quiz sessions. In your quiz, you will be given questions to solve by yourself, and it will be asked to you in your question answer sessions that would be conducted after 2 hours of your online unit session. So the question is, you have to find out B complement. And question 2 is, you have to find out B union C complement. Is that clear, class? You will follow the same sets that would be given to you in previous set A, B, C, and universal set that you are given to their that is universal set. So you can easily place the elements of set A, B, C, and universal sets that is given in above. And you have to solve question 1 and 2 by yourself. And all of you class, would be asked regarding these questions in your question answer feedback sessions. So all of you must be well prepared, and you must have to be completed your quiz questions answers. Is that clear? So all take care. Allah Hafiz. Let's see you on your question answer sessions. Take care.